Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be reviewing the Profusion Cosmetics Pro Pigment palette. This is a 21 eyeshadow pan palette for $10. This brand can be found at Target or directly at their website that I'll link down below. So this is a drugstore brand that's getting pretty popular on Instagram for those that are not familiar with this brand. So this palette, as you can see, has a plastic packaging and it has a plastic see-through lid, and it also has a magnetic closure. The palette is actually bigger than what I thought when I first seen it on Instagram. I actually thought it was the size of the UP Beauty palettes, but this palette is so much bigger in person. Like I said, this palette has 21 eyeshadows with a mixture of shimmers and mattes. In this palette you get 6 mattes and 15 shimmers. Out of the 15 shimmers, there's around 6 that are very different texture. They are more flaky and have more specks of glitter. In the palette you get a dual-ended synthetic brush, and actually the brush that is included in the palette is pretty good quality. I actually see myself using it. It has a fluffy blender on one side and on the other it's a flat shader. So when I did my swatches, I noticed that there's around 6 shimmer shades that have more of a chunky texture. Those I really recommend using a wet synthetic brush for a better payoff. Especially for the shade Rush. That shade didn't swatch good at all and it was very hard to make it work. The only way I made it work was wetting the shader side of the brush that is included in the palette. For the mattes, these blended smoothly and I hardly had any kick up. The shade Devoted swatched very sheer, and when I tested it with the brush I also experienced that it was very sheer even after I layered it so many times. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you so much for watching.